Alright, so this is my first and last time doing these mini braids. There's my oldest and youngest poop explosion. I'm rethinking everything. Like, should I continue or not continue? This is the progress that I did. I just did kind of like in a circle so I can cover everything up. Just me rethinking everything in the morning once again. But overall, no, I think I'm lying. I think I would actually do these again. They came out super nice, super crisp. So sorry for the dirty mirror. This thing goes so fast. I was having some light difficulties and stuff, but you know, I ended up getting it done. So I had finally finished the back. I had detangled my hair with some ORS and some oil and stuff because I had washed it while my other braids was in for like a week or so. Finally made it to the front. It took me 2 days. Made it to the front. That was one half that was almost done. It only took me 2 days because in between I had to do other stuff. You know, I'm a mom too, so I think that's why it took me a long time as well. I was finally done, y'all. Oh, I was finally done. It came out super neat. I can't wait to style it. I'm gonna have to come back and show y'all my plans for these little mini twists or mini braids. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Check y'all on the next one.